This is Saqib Hasan. He is a student Air Khan Madhyamik Vidyalay. And then this Mr. Hasan, our daughter Islamic Institute. Hasan, what is your name?
Hasan.
What is your father name?
Muhammad Shoaib.
What is your mother name?
Rima Babu.
This is student is very brilliant. She always know English. You are a good boy.
Good boy.
Yes, you are a good boy. A very intelligent boy and brilliant, a cool boy, very capable boy. So in this my same bar. তোমার বাড়ি কই দিন এটা
মসজিদের সামনে
মদিনে তোমার আব্বার নাম কি